a walk-in refrigerator made with a small insulated room and an air conditioner. So there's that little contraption off to the side here has a special name. It's called a cool bot. And basically it tricks the air conditioner into thinking that the room's too hot. So the air conditioner comes on and cools the room some more. So this guy created a cheese cave. This is what it's called. But you can see on the thermometer, it's like 42 degrees in there. And so we made this video, and we're talking about how you can kind of have like your own little walk-in refrigerator for really cheap. I'm not sure what the energy costs are like, but it's the same kind of concept for running a refrigerator, and he's got a much, much larger space. However, apparently the CoolBot people spotted this, and then they contacted the guy, and now he's guaranteed a CoolBot for life. So a lot of the people in my videos get little perks like that when so I like doing that.